we continue to crochet a little sheep, and now let's make the ears. We make a magic loop and leave the long end of the thread. Then we make a single crochet, 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, then 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, then 1 double crochet, 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, 1 single crochet, pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop, a chain, and leave the long end on the thread to sew the ear to the head. We make the second ear in the same way. And now let's make the fluffy part of the head. We repeat the first 5 rounds of the head, and when we have 30 loops in the round, we make 5 rounds without changes for 30 single crochets in each round. In the end, we make a slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew this part to the head. Now we sew 2 parts together. And then we sew the ears. The head is ready, and we'll crochet the body. It's quite hard to make a magic loop with this yarn, so we make the first loop and 2 chains, 1, 2. Then we make 6 single crochets in the first chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch in the first loop of the round, and a chain. In the second round, we make 6 increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the third round, we make 6 increases with 1 single crochet between them. We make increase in the first loop and 1 single crochet in the second loop. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 17, 18. A slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. Now we have 18 loops in the round, and we make the next 5 rounds without changes for 18 single crochets in each round. One, 2, 3, 4, 17, 18. A slip stitch and a chain. We've made already 8 rounds, and in the next round we make 6 decreases with 1 single crochet between them. Decrease, 1 single crochet. Decrease, 1 single crochet. Decrease, 1 single crochet, and continue till the end of the round. In the end, we make a slip stitch, a chain, and cut the thread. Now we sew hands and legs. Sew hands in half. And then sew the hand to the body. Add fiber fill, and the last step, we sew the head to the body. And our cute little ship is ready. I hope you've liked the tutorial, and I'll be very glad to see photos of your toys. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.